Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add your digital signature to a document in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my document in my Microsoft Word and I'm going to add my digital signature right here. First thing first, we need to go to the Draw menu. Okay, click on the Draw menu and you can select the type of the pen that you want to use to add your digital signature. And I'm going to select this pen, and we can also change the color and the thickness. I'm going to change the thickness, for example. Okay, I'm gonna go with this thickness, and then we just need to draw our digital signature like this. Okay, and you can click on this icon and you will be able to move this digital signature to anywhere that you want. Okay, I'm just going to make it smaller like this. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add our digital signature to a document in Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.